It's good morning, class 4. Welcome to the online class. And before starting the class, I want to tell you the syllabus for PT2. So this is my request to everyone. Write the syllabus for PT2 in your copy as well as in the book, both. Okay. So quickly write down the syllabus for PT2. For Math Magic, there are 2 chapters. Chapter number 8, Carts and Wheels, and chapter number 9, Halves and Quarters. From Composite Maths, there are also 2 chapters. Chapter number 14, Geometry, and chapter number 9, Fraction. Chapter number 14, Geometry, and chapter number 9, Fraction. Okay. These are the 2 chapters from Magic and Composite for the PT2. Term 2 syllabus I will give you afterwards. Term 2 syllabus I will give you afterwards. Okay. The board is clear to everyone? You all can see the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You all have completed. Now can I rub the board? All have completed. Can I rub the board? Yes, those who have completed, they open the Math Magic and come to page number 106. Come to page number 106, those who have completed. See, page number 106, halves and quarters. We were in page 106, practice time we have to start. Today we will complete this chapter and we will start fractions. Today we will complete this chapter, okay, and we will start fractions from Composite Maths. Yes, all have completed. Show me, write fast. So, Mondol, still the school has not decided that you have to give the exam online or you have to give the exam offline. Okay, the board will decide, and whatever the decision is, it will be forwarded to you. Even for the submission of project also, it will be forwarded to you when you have to submit the project in school, either in the month of January or in the month of February. Clear? I also don't know the dates. Only school will inform you. Yes, I am rubbing the board. Now come to page 106, practice time. See, these all are word problems, so you have to write the statements. Okay, the first question. There are 60 mangoes. Half of them are ripe. How many mangoes are ripe? See, here it is given that there are total number of mangoes 60. You have to find it out how many are ripe. And one more thing is given, that is fraction. Fraction of ripe mangoes are given. It is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half, isn't it? So orally only you can say the answer that how many are ripe? How many mangoes are ripe? It is exactly. Shaurya has given the correct answer. It is 30 mangoes are ripe, isn't it? Orally you can give the answer. Half of 60 is 30. Half of 60 is 30, isn't it? So since it is the word problem, you have to write the statement. So write the statement in your copy. Write the statement in your copy. Okay, so write it down. Total number of mangoes. It is given 60. Now one more thing is given, the fraction or the part. So you will write fraction of ripe mangoes. Fraction of ripe mangoes. It is given 1 by 2. So you will write therefore number of ripe mangoes is equals to, see, when it is given 1 by 2, that means it is given the fraction. So I have written here fraction. And in the next line, I have to find out the total number of mangoes. That means I have to find out the whole number, that how many are ripe. That's why I have written here number of mangoes. Whereas in before this, I have written fraction of ripe mangoes, because in the question it is given fraction of ripe mangoes as 1 by 2. Fraction of ripe mangoes, it is given as 1 by 2. Okay. So you will write that number of ripe mangoes is equals to half, that is 60 divided by 2, which is equals to 30, isn't it? Which is equals to 30. So you will write the answer that how many mangoes are ripe? You will write 30 mangoes are ripe. Answer will be 30 mangoes are ripe. Okay. I think you all know what is the meaning of ripe.
Spoiled.
Ripe mangoes, not spoiled. Okay, now come to the second question. Come to the second question. All have completed? Quickly complete it. Yes, that means you have completed when you are writing in the chat box. Come to the second question. See the second question. There are 32 children. Half of them are girls. How many children are boys? Now here total number of children it is given 32. Now from this 32, half of them are girls, and you have to find out number of boys. When half is given girls, that means naturally the other half is for the boys, isn't it? Half is for the girls and the other half naturally it is for the boys. So you have to find it out that total number of boys. You have to find out the whole number of the boys, not the fraction you have to find out. Okay. So it will be exactly 32 divided by 2, because half is given. So it will be divided by 2. That means it is 16. It is 16. Okay. So write the statement for question number 2. Total number of children. Total number of children is equals to 32. Total number of children is equals to 32. Srijita completed? Srijita completed? Okay. This is second question. total number of children is equals to 32. Now fraction of girls, it is given half, isn't it? So you will find it out. Therefore number of girls is equals to 32 divided by 2, that is 16. Now 16 is for the girls, so for the boys you will write thus number of boys is equals to 32 minus 16, it is also equals to 16. So answer will be 16 children are boys. 16 children are boys. 16 children are boys. Isn't it? 16 children are boys. Completed. Any doubt to anyone up to this question? Up to question number 2, any doubt to anyone? Okay. Now let us start the third question. Let us start the third question. Question number 3. There are 20 stars. A quarter of them are red. How many stars are red? Now, since before this you are doing half, half, half. Now it is quarter. So, total number of stars are given 20 and quarter. Quarter means 1/4. So, out of 1/4 stars, they are red. So, how many are red, that you have to find it out, and how many are not red, that also you have to find it out. Okay. So, let us write the statement. Yes, your answers are correct. Noman has also given the correct answer. Then Shubham, Srijita, they have given the correct answer. Now write the statement for question number 3. Write the statement for question number 3. Total number of stars, it is given 20. Fraction of red stars, it is 1/4, that is quarter, isn't it? Therefore number of red stars is equals to 20 divided by 4, that is 5. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. Now you will find out that how many are not red. 5 are red, so subtraction will give you that are not red, isn't it? Thus number of stars that are not red, is equals to 20 minus 5, that is 15. 20 minus 5, that is 15. So answer you will write 5 stars are red. 5 stars are red, and 15 stars are not red. 5 stars are red and 15 stars are not red. So quickly write it down, then we will do question number 4.
Completed. Ma'am, completed.
The board is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
The board is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, now come to the next one. The last question.
Side play.
Come to the last question. Yes, all have completed the board work.
Yes, ma'am.
See the last question. The last question is
Yes, ma'am.
Ravi wants a pencil. It costs rupees 2. He gives a 1 rupee coin, 1 half rupee coin and 1 quarter rupee coin. Is it enough? Now Ravi, he want to buy a pencil whose cost is rupees 2. That means the cost of pencil is given rupees 2. But he has given to the shopkeeper 1 rupee coin, then 1 half rupee coin. Now half rupee coin means you have to make it half of 1 rupee. So as you know that 1 rupee means 100 paise. So half of 100 paise, it is 50 paise. So 1 rupee plus 50 paise and then 1 quarter rupee. 1 quarter rupee means again 100 divided by 4. It is 25 paise. So 1 rupee 50 paise plus 25 paise. That means 1 rupee 75 paise Ravi has given to the shopkeeper. So is it enough? No, it is not enough, isn't it? More 25 paise is required to give so that it will be equal to 2 rupees and it is the cost of pencil, isn't it? So let us write the statement. Okay, let us write the last question. First of all, you will write money given by Ravi to the shopkeeper, isn't it? So write money given by Ravi is equals to, he has given 1 rupee coin, then half, 1 half coin, 1 half rupee coin. That means 100 divided by 2. It will be in paise, not in rupees. It will be in paise. Plus 1/4 he has given. That means rupees 1 plus 50 paise plus 25 paise, which is equals to rupees 1 and 75 paise. 1 rupees and 75 paise. This will not be there. Only rupees 1 and 75 paise. Okay. But the cost of pencil is rupees. The cost of pencil is equals to rupees 2, isn't it? The cost of pencil is equals to 2. Therefore, money required is equals to rupees 2 minus rupees 1.75, which is equals to rupees 0.25, sorry, 25, 0.25, 0.25.
Ma'am, I cannot see the down part of the board. Yes, ma'am, now it is clear.
Then you write the answer. Answer will be Ravi did not give enough money to buy Ravi did not give enough money to buy the pencil. Ravi did not give enough money to buy the pencil. 0.25 rupees are more required to buy the pencil. That means only 25 paise required more to buy the pencil. Isn't it? You can write here that 25 paise is required more, or 25 paise more is required to buy the pencil. 0.25 means it is 25 paise, isn't it? So you can write 25 paise is 25 paise more is required to buy the pencil. 25 paise more is required to buy the pencil. 25 paise is more required to buy the pencil. Okay. 25 paise is required more to buy the pencil. Clear? 25 paise more is required to buy the pencil.
Completed. Ma'am, completed.
Okay students, we have completed PT2 syllabus for Math Magic, and in the next class we will start our next chapter. Okay, so today up to this only. Whatever we have done, you once more practice at home, and especially this word problems. Especially the word problems you once more practice at home. Okay, so bye all of you for today, and those who are present, just write present ma'am and give to me for your attendance. Just write present ma'am and give to me for the attendance. Okay, so bye all of you for today. Those who have not written, I will upload this video in the YouTube. You can check it from the YouTube. Okay, bye all of you.